Welcome. It is our great pleasure to involve you all in this journey with us. This video is brought to you by the students of SINHGAD Academy of Engineering. We, the Team VAMOS Autocross, are a group of 15 to 20 engineering students who together design and manufacture a Formula Students race car and enroll into various competitions all over India. We have a team of designers who are solely dedicated to the designing phase of our car by applying various laws of engineering and taking over 100 parameters into consideration. We carefully design each and every component that is to be put in our car. After the designing phase, our next step is the manufacturing. All manufacturing processes are carried out in our workshop. It is where all our components are assembled together. It is this place where we spend most of our days and sleepless nights. Next picture is the skeleton work of our car. This entire piece is solely called the chassis. Following process is our all-time favorite, the testing phase. Here, our car is tested vigorously and various tests are carried out, such as acceleration and braking. After completing the testing phase, our car was unveiled at Seasons Mall near Magarpatta city, Pune. We also took part in the Formula Student Japan called FSJ. The next set of pictures give you an outlook of our event in Japan. Tilt your neck at an angle of 45 degrees. This test is called the tilt test, which was carried out successfully. As we move ahead, we have also enrolled in one of the biggest events in India called FORMULA BHARAT.
पुण्याच्या सिंहगड अकॅडमी ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग संघाने फॉर्म्युला रिस्टार बनवले. या रिस्टारनं देशातील स्टुडंट फॉर्म्युला या प्रतिष्ठित स्पर्धेत व्हर्च्युअल फेजमुळे संपूर्ण देशातला पहिला क्रमांक पटकावलाय. महाविद्यालयाच्या वर्कशॉपमध्ये ही कार बनवली.
Have fulfilled our goals before and we are now ready to take on SUPRA 2020 in June. As you can see through the video, we require various mechanical and electronic components to make this car run. This crowdfunding video is not a promotional video, but it is a step taken by us to eradicate the shortage of money. Your generous donations and contributions can help us buy components like tires, manufacture our wheel assembly, bearings, brake calipers and many electronic components. Altogether, these expenses shoot up to 2 lakh rupees. Please help us raise this sum of money. As we have reached to the end of this journey, the slightest of help from your side can help us jump over these stumbling blocks. Thus, with your help, take part with us cross the finish line in SUPRA 2020.